Welcome to a new video on my walking robot Mirft2, which is equipped with USB camera to be used with OpenCV, 2 touch sensors, also based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux, programmed in online mode via Wi-Fi in Python. It's a kind of insectoid robot with 6 legs here, 6 legs there, 4 encoder motors, and the camera is supposed to grab an image on these objects. Everything made of fischertechnik, and then separate by means of OpenCV for the color red. And red has many gradations, so everything should be included, including the walking, but for some reason there is a problem with this side of the gears. That side does it nicely, this side doesn't. And to find out why I'm remodeling using Blender3D, all based on Linux. First of all, let's set it to work and see if everything boots nicely. And because it's on a scaffold anyway, like the objects are on the scaffold, I've put it to an AC adapter, which you see here, the wire to the adapter. So let's fire up and see how things go. So image on the Linux desktop with a terminal for the software, terminal for the output, obviously camera, and Robot Pro, which I use for testing, which I can't use right now because it's not powered up. So let's do that one. And see how this one works out. So no problem, but at times it just won't connect. So let's see how that one works out this time. And there we go. Now I have to go to the default user interface, which is this one, and see if I can connect, which I use with this Robot Pro test tool. And yep, and I do have to confirm, which I have done right now, and I have an error, could not connect. Let's see again. Now I can connect. It says online mode. So let's see how that one works out. Yep. Look here in the interface, input 3. Last time it didn't do this well, but this works as well. Very good. Input 2. Then motors, and one thing, I do have to use 2 and 1 and 4 and 2 and 3. So this one do this, and that doesn't go nicely. And this one and that one works nicely. So there is still a problem on the right hand side, and I can also show you. That one is here. So left side, right side, and this is M2, motor 2 and 3, and this motor 1 and 4. And here, yeah, there's a battery drawn, but it's an AC power now, so this one is cut out. Anyway, now it's done. I can save it all in, but I first have to quit this one. My contact, it's done. My contact, and that's also done. So let me first, setting the date, and I touched the camera wire, but that's not a problem. Setting the date, which is 31, and this is by now 1955. Really. All right, it's making a little mistake. Now it is correct. I also have to remove, and be careful. First this one, so I don't lose the code. Image, and I change. If you have watched my videos before on this topic, you'll see it's now says result, because I changed that part of the code last time. Anyway, now it's alright. I have also data, so I can go ahead now. Running the coder. Will it be as lousy as the test? Let's just watch and see. Yeah, let me run it like this. Oh, and I forget something, which I should have done before. Because in order to receive the photos, the images, I have to start the server. Now I can go desired speed 215. It doesn't do a thing. Like last time, it doesn't do a thing. And I'm quitting. Starting again. But I probably will have images. Display from Image Magic, and then TXT image. Let's say 31st, I don't mind. Go, not as good as I like. Oh wait, I make a mistake. That would be this one. Yeah. And the result. I want to see the result of the color separation. Okay, that is not bad. This is red. I see some red spikes in here. This is mostly red, very nice. This is red and this is red with some spikes. I'm satisfied with this. What I'm not satisfied with this is that it says camera not connected. Can I still use speed? Nope, forget it. Can I go on? $500. Yeah. And that's it. So that one did run and this one did not run nicely. Well, it is the same setup and something has to be done with the gearing here behind still. And to see about that, let's go to Blender. Let's find out why. Because this is just annoying. Very annoying. This should not happen. Look at all this. TXT aborted. Why? And by the way, there seem to be little problems in settings, but one says yes, one says no. I don't mind, I don't care. So with the camera positioned differently, let's take a look at Blender, where I've already loaded the program. And well, these are real gears, these are not. But the main problem is right now, I want to have the gears at all places. So red gears here. Let's move this up where it should actually, oh, I need two gears of course. One here and a bit bigger, because this size doesn't make sense. Although this is the size that I would like, just as is this size. And I wish I could turn them, but I won't. Slightly better. This is actually modeled to the real one, but let's save this. And add another gear, because I've learned by now that I should not copy all the gears, I should add them one by one. And another thing is, of course, these gears should interact, and that was a first test with these two. How do I get them to interact? And then it turned out that this one was really rotating and this one was rotating like this, and that was not what I want. also talking about it, this gear is driven by this one, this gear is driven by this one, and so on. So the tests that I'm doing with these two are applied to these, and of course these 5, and unnecessary to say, these gears. And as you can see, they are not really connected to each other, to say the least. So a lot of reshaping and remodeling and resizing to do. Oopsie. Anyway, let's add one more for this one. Add mesh, mechanical, gear, and yes, I want the gear. Number of T's, I want it to be no 24. Radius, that was an interesting one last time. 0 centimeters. No, 0 centimeters. And 24. Oh wait, radius. That is to be 2 centimeters and millimeter. And that is wrong. Radius. How am I getting with that gear? Where's the gear gone? Where's that gear suddenly here? Give me a break. And I have lost my editing. I've lost my editing. So in this case, go. I want another object. That's still a mystery to me. How do I get to into the editing mode of a gear that I have made? So this one is 24. Width is 4 centimeters, 4 millimeters. So this one should be 0 centimeters, 4. Oh. What's that again? Width. Yeah, that should be 0, 4. It says 5. Okay. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Oh, come on. Why is this a nightmare? Why is this such a nightmare? Come on. Oh, it was the wrong side. And then width, base. Alright. "47 centimeters? I don't think so. No. You see, it goes with the centimeter, not with the millimeter. Yeah, making it larger, but if I compare this to the other gears, it doesn't make real sense to me. Let's see if I can turn it around. Like this a bit. Go. Go. Does this look like the same diameter and this? Not really. I don't like this. Anyway, time to quit. Another lousy experiment with a new gear. I still haven't figured out how. Too little time. Save. Before I lose it. Before I lose the stuff, I mean. And that's it for this time. No matter what I plan, it always goes different in timing as well. So I hope they don't mind. Anyway, nowhere closer to solving the gear problem. The rest is kind of okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with videos. That's it. To be continued. Have a nice day. Oh, please take a look under this video for a lot of information on my website and social media. Have a nice day and bye bye.